Hey guys, good morning. We are on the way for a brunch with some friends.
From you.
Yes. Bicycle. Go, go, go. Good morning, guys. I'm just getting ready because we are going to the west. We are going to the west for my birthday. And I am quite excited because this is going to be at the mountain and I'm looking forward to it. So let's get ready. Yes, this one, this one.
It's hard to find truth when the liars are great. I'm trying my best to stay out of your way. Oh well. You talk a big talk, but got nothing to say.
Hey guys, we got here now. We are in the middle of the forest. Ooh. Oh. We have a small kitchen. Oh, I didn't know that we have a kitchen. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, I like the toilet. It's huge. Yeah. Oh, they have blower. So we are back in our chalet and we've seen the pool area and where the breakfast is, but we need to come back here. Hold on a sec, guys. So the reason we are back here because we're gonna work. What is this? Mojito?
Mojito.
Mocktail? Let's get some dinner. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today, actually, it's a beautiful day. It was all raining yesterday, and today you can see the sun. And we're gonna have breakfast now. It starts from 6:30 to 9:30 only, and it's now 8:10. So we need to get there as quickly as possible. So, by the way, guys, the bed, the pillows, oh my god, they're amazing. I slept really, really good. That's a good point for me because I will normally have a bad sleep whenever I go somewhere else bed or in a hotel bed, but this bed here, amazing. finish our breakfast and
7 colours.
where are we going
So
again?
the rocks were 7 colours.
To the rocks of 7 colors, and then maybe we come back and lie down by the pool. So we stopped for a bit here. I think we can view the waterfall. Hold on. We can see the waterfall. Oh my god, my hair. Where is it? So I think we're gonna go there to check out some view. It's there. There you go. Where you wanna go? Oh, there's a snack bar here. That's it.
Incredible.
We found it. Amazing.
See?
Oh my gosh, it's really good here. This is the adventure park and it's just so lovely, and I'm gonna show you right now. Yeah.
Water. These little streams here.
This is so spontaneous. We are hiking with no proper shoes. It's actually not safe and scary. We saw something. We saw something here. Hi! We're done now. We're done, right? We're going home. So we're going to have lunch in La Chamarel. Hi guys, so we finished our lunch now, checking the place, and they have a cute pool here. Lovely, lovely pool. So maybe next time we could check the availability here, because when I checked booking.com, it's fully booked until January. So hey guys, we are back here at the hotel, and we're just gonna chill because the weather is not too bad. We have at least a little bit of sun, and yeah, pretty much better than yesterday. So just gonna chill. It's 7 p.m. ladies and gentlemen, and it's windy and it's freezing cold. La la la. It's like 1 minute walk to the restaurant. There you go, that's the restaurant. Look, look. Gonna have this one again. It's Capitan fish. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We just finished our breakfast, and the weather is unpredictable. Like right now, you can see sun behind me, but it was like 2 minutes ago. It was raining and blowing heavy of wind. It's okay. I like it. I like the rain. I like the wind. I like everything about here in this cottage. And right now we're going out for another birthday lunch with friends. I hope the food is really nice because I'm hungry again right now. So cheers, guys. It's only like 5 minutes away from our hotel. So windy.